So I just got my Creality CR-10s 3D printer and I'm going through the assembly. Now I'm coming across a bit of an issue with the right Z-rod. First off, it's not as tight as the left one. You can see that space in there. Up top we can see that the left Z-rod is lower than the right side by a decent amount. And when looking at these instructions, it doesn't appear that these are even the same couplings. What it says to do is to remove the thin film. I don't know where the thin film is. And put the lead screw into the bottom of the coupling. Use the M2 inner hexagon wrench to tighten the two jack screws. Now here's my M2, but I have to get the jack screw. Okay, there it is. Now, this won't even budge at all, so I don't really want to force it. And I don't want to tighten it, so that's that. But when we start to twist it, twisting both at the same time, we can see that it's being raised pretty level on both sides. But when we come back down, we can see that the right side starts to raise off of the motor and the entire Z screw starts to move up. So at this point, the left side is no longer going back down. And the right one, the more we go, the Z screw raises off. And we can see that it's much higher than the left side. So these instructions do not seem to be for the right machine, and I'm not sure what the thin film is really supposed to be. So I went on to their Creality website, and their tech support doesn't really seem to be actual tech support. So I need some help with this. If you guys have any type of experience with this printer, the CR-10, the original, I definitely need some help with this. Let me know in the comments section, or if you'd like to email me specifically with some detailed instructions, that would be fine too, but just let me know in the comment section. Thanks.